The Chartless Trader, a journey to painless profits. Once upon a time in Mumbai, there lived a young man named Ankit who had a burning desire for financial freedom. Tied to his desk job, he dreamt of a life where he could build massive wealth while traveling and holidaying. One day, a God-sent mentor named Ujjwal Jaitwar entered his life, introducing him to the revolutionary, chartless trading equals painless profits methodology. Ujjwal, a wise man with a French beard, explained the philosophy behind chartless trading. He claimed that in the chaotic world of the stock market, relying on charts and graphs was like navigating a stormy sea with an outdated map. Instead, he advocated for a simple yet powerful approach, a method that would allow one to make money as effortlessly as breathing. Fascinated by the promise of financial success with just 5 minutes a day, Ankit decided to embark on this unconventional journey. Ujjwal became his guiding light, teaching him the art of reading market trends without drowning in a sea of charts. He emphasized understanding the heartbeat of the market, predicting its movements, and capitalizing on opportunities with precision. Ankit's first lesson was to let go of the conventional belief that trading required hours of analysis and complex strategies. Ujjwal insisted on embracing the simplicity of the chartless trading method. The duo spent hours on the bustling streets of Mumbai, observing the rhythm of life, the constant fluctuations, the highs and lows. Ujjwal related these everyday patterns to the market, making Ankit realize that trading was not just about numbers, it was about understanding human behavior. As Ankit entered deeper into the methodology, he discovered the beauty of trading without the constraints of charts. The anxiety and stress associated with traditional trading methods began to fade away. He surrendered himself before his mentor and followed Ujjwal's daily action plan religiously with a strong commitment of 1 year. Soon, Ankit's life transformed. He was no longer confined to his desk, shackled by the monotony of a 9-to-6 job. Ankit's journey took him to the serene beaches of Goa, the majestic mountains of Himachal, and the culturally rich streets of Jaipur. With his laptop and a mere 5 minutes a day, he was building massive wealth while savoring the beauty of India. The once elusive dream of building massive wealth while traveling became his reality. Word spread about Ankit's success, and people began to flock to him for guidance. He encouraged them to enroll in the year-long mentorship program with his mentor, Ujjwal, who started conducting workshops and webinars, empowering individuals to break free from the chains of conventional trading methods. The simplicity of chartless trading caught on like wildfire, creating a community of individuals who embraced the philosophy of painless profits. People from all walks of life began to experience the joy of making money effortlessly, just like breathing. In the heart of India, a financial revolution had begun. Ankit's story became a beacon of hope for those who aspired to break away from the mundane and chart their own course to success. The once chart-bound traders were now navigating the markets with the freedom and confidence that came from understanding the rhythm of life. The punchline, "How to build massive wealth while you holiday," became the anthem of a new generation of traders who sought financial success without sacrificing their freedom. And so, the chartless trading revolution continued to inspire and empower people across the country, proving that true wealth is not just measured in numbers but in the freedom to live life on one's own terms. Thanks for your time. If you also want to build a great future, then type "Yes, I want" in comment box and hit the like button.